God shows up to send me messages of confirmation that I'm always at the right place at the right time when I just remember Jesus' words, Jesus' life, Jesus' truth. It's as simple as that, being like a child, trusting our Heavenly Father for our food and where we're going to sleep tonight. Just asking and seeking and knocking. Take some moments. Take moments often during your day to just pause, breathe, stretch. Then we'll realize we need to drink some more water, recharge ourselves more than our cell phones. This song is by the Piano Guys. It's called Still, Still, Still.